Aloha, friends. It's Miss Farrell, and this week we are going to be talking about rhyming. And we're going to be really talking about words that we can sound out and blend and read on our own. So let's take a peek about rhyming. So what are rhyming words anyway? Well, we're going to be focusing on ending sounds this week, and rhyming words have the same ending sound. So listen to this goodbye poem. See you later, alligator. After a while, crocodile. In an hour, sunflower. Maybe two, kangaroo. Got to go, buffalo. Better swish, jellyfish. Chop, chop, lollipop. Did you hear some rhyming words? Later, gator, while, crocodile, hour, sunflower. Those are all rhyming words. They have the same ending sound. So we are experts now at knowing how to stretch words. You might need a little help, but we know exactly what to do. So do it with me. Put your hands out. This first picture is a picture of a pin. Let's stretch it. Now, this is a picture and it's pointing. The arrow is pointing to a fin. Let's stretch that. Pin, fin. They have the same ending sound. They actually have the same word family chunk, which is in. That's their rhyming part, I-N. Here's another one. This is another word. Will you help me read it? Because it's hard to tell from the picture what these are. That's why I picked them. Okay, let's look at the blue underline part. And let's say this part first. It. That's our rhyming chunk. It's in both of those words. So when we sound this out, I'm going to say it, kit. This is a picture of a kit. And this is an avocado, but on the inside, that seed is called a pit. Let's listen for it. Kit, pit, and I like to do sparkly fingers, but I say rhyming words, those rhyme. Here's another one. Let's sound this out. Here we go. Cub, cub. Tub, cub, tub. Rhyming words, they have that same word family chunk, the same ending sound. In this example, it's the same middle and ending sound. So let's look at these ones. Can you sound out this all by yourself? I'm going to help you though. This underline part in blue says ud. So put the b sound in front of it. B-ud. What do you think the word is? B-ud. Bud. How about this word over here? M-ud. M-ud. Mud. Bud. Mud. Do those two do those two words rhyme? What do you think? They do. So check. This is how to draw a check mark. I kind of go down a little bit and then go back up. So we're going to play a little game in just a minute. And I'm going to show you how to play the game. First of all, let's check out this word. B-ud. P-ot. Pot and bud. Do those words rhyme? Do they have that same ending sound? No, they do not. So I would put a X. No, they do not rhyme. And that's how to play our game. You're going to number your paper from 1 to 4. If I move my face over, you can see. 1, 2, 3, 4. So pause the video. Here's the pause button. That's why I hold up 2 fingers. Pause the video. Go get a piece of paper or a dry erase board and write 1, 2, 3, 4. Then, when you're ready, unpause the video because I'm going to ask you to take a picture of your work today. Okay, let's get going. I'm going to move Miss Farrell in the top corner over here so I'm out of the way. All right, here we go. Let's practice. Look at these two words. Let's go back to our practice for a second. Sorry. Dog, log, log. Dog, log. Do those two words rhyme? Yes. So if they do, you're going to put a check. If they do not, you're going to write an X. So for number one, you're going to not do anything just yet. This is number one, okay? So I want you to try and read these words. I'm going to help you this first time, but then I want you to try and tap it before I tell you. So let's look. Here we go. I'm going to use my finger strategy of tapping. Are you ready? Can. This next word is red, red. Can, red. Do those words rhyme? Let me show you a hint. Look at the middle sound and the ending sound. Are they the same? If they are the same, if the AN is the same as ED, you're going to write a check mark. It looks like this, blue check. If they're not the same and they do not rhyme, wink, wink, they're not the same letters, you're going to draw an X right next to your number one. We'll check it at the end. So, pause the video if you need more time, but we're deciding for number one if can and red rhyme. If they do, check. If they do not, X. Number two, let's sound it out. Pause the video, tap and read these two words. Unpause when you're ready to check it with Miss Farrell. Are you ready to check it? Here we go. D-A-G. Dog. This word is dog. Let's see if it rhymes with the next word. L-A-G. Log. Log. Do the words dog, log rhyme? Do they have the same middle and ending sound? If they do, write a check mark. See where my arrow is? On number two. If they do not, write an X. Pause if you need more time. Number three on your paper. Pause the video, sound out and read each word, and then unpause when you're ready for Miss Farrell to check it with you. Are you ready? If you're unpaused, we're going to check it. It, sit, sit. It, hit, hit. Sit, hit. Do these words rhyme? Do they have the same ending sound? Sit, hit. If they do, write check mark like that blue check. If they do not, then you write an X for number three. Pause if you need more time. Number four. This one's super tricky. Pause the video, sound out the words, and then unpause when you're ready to check it. Let me give you a hint. That letter down there, let me move my thing, is the letter A. It's just how it looks in books. Okay, pause the video, sound them out, and let's check it. All right, the first one is at, cat, cat. The second word is at, cot, cot. Don't get tricked. Rhyming words have the same ending sound, So for number four, if you think they rhyme, give it a blue check or just a check mark. I'm just pointing to the button so you can tell. And if they do not rhyme, give it an X. Pause if you need more time. Let's check our work. Okay, take your cap, put it on your marker, or put your pencil down. You can fix it afterwards, but let's go over our answers. Number 1, can, read. Do those words rhyme? No. So for number 1, you should have an X. Number 2, dog, log. Do those words rhyme? Yes, they do. Check, baby. Number 3, sit, hit. Do those words rhyme? Yes, they do. Check, baby, for number 3. And number 4, cat, cot. Do those words rhyme? No, and X. They do have the same beginning or first sound, but they are not rhyming words. Here is your answers. This is what your board should look like. Take a picture of it, put it into your seesaw, and if you need more time, hit the pause button. But for now, you guys did a great job, and my little image says, woohoo! Congratulations, you guys were reading rhyming words today. I'll see you soon, friends. Goodbye.